Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So we are heading off to Oultonpark for what is known as a Salford Van Hire Neil Howard Stage Rally and Fireworks. I had to read it off a ticket because it's that long, but yeah, hopefully it should be a good one. I've never been before, so yeah, this is going to be the first time. So there's going to be obviously loads of rallying going on and fireworks, of course, but I think there's also going to be a couple of displays with the old cars and all that. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see what's going to be there. So I shall continue the video when I get there, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on videos like this. So yeah, see you when we get there. Alright then guys, so we have just arrived here now. Like I say, it's not too far from my house, it only takes about half an hour, so yeah, it's pretty good. It's quite a good track, so with it being so close, I don't really mind coming here, and you do have quite a lot on, so yeah, let's head inside. So I thought I'll have a quick look around the car park, and first one that stands out is this stunning M5 competition. It's basically just every single car that you need, to be fair. Got the performance and the space and the luxury, so nice. Then we've got a couple of theatre baths, like that white one, but I really like the colours on this one. I think it's a 695. There's that many different numbers on these baths. And we've got a nice old Mini Cooper, which has even got the sunroof on the top as well. So we've got this lovely Mark 1 Fiesta, looking very clean and original. Loving the two-tone. Yeah, obviously having that pinstripe going all the way across the side just breaks them two colours up really nice. Yeah, looking very original, very clean. So this is the first time seeing one of these, as they have only just recently come out. I think they've been out a couple of weeks now. So yeah, it's the updated 1 series, and this one's the 135, so it's the top one, like. As you can see from the back, decided to put the quad exhaust on them, which you only really get on like M3s and M4s, you know, proper M cars. But yeah, from the back it looks like the M5, but obviously a smaller version. So yeah, it's looking really well. And then inside, as you can just about see, it's got the newer screen on it, just like the M3s have and all that. So yeah, it looks really, really nice. You've got a little bit more of an old classic here, the Morris Minor van. So you've got all that wood on there, and as you can see from the side, still got a bit of the masking tape up on there. So the guy must be finishing off doing all the paintwork and that. But as you can see inside, very simple. Big steering wheel in the middle, 2 little seats at the front, and a big bench at the side. So yeah, now we're gonna head over to the track, see obviously a few of the rally cars, see they go on the Automotive track, a few obstacles and that to go through, so yeah, I won't do too much talking now. So watch this, see the big sounds. Now, at the top of the tree, we do have a change of surface, so the Polo, the Nation Flyers Polo. into the pits now and spotted this lovely Ferrari 812 Superfast. Looks absolutely incredible, especially in that Ferrari red. Yeah, it looks really, really nice. Got that big Ferrari logo stamped on the side of the wing. So yeah, looking really, really good. All the vents on it as well. Just getting all that smooth air through. Looks really, really good. So yeah, we're going to get a little bit closer to the rally cars now as they're slowly coming in off the track. Some are probably going out as well. Old little Fiesta there, a Proton as well, and a Peugeot 208, and another Peugeot 205, and a nice little Suzuki. Oh, his door's just flung open. And then a nice Honda Civic, and then a Citroen C3, are they? Something like that, C2s. And an absolutely unreal Mark II Escort. It's just, the sound of that is just so, so nice. Mr. Bean rally car, which accidentally stalls it. That looks really, really cool. Not a clue what this is, but it looks really, really good. So I spotted this Bentley Continental GT, which is a black edition, which I'm not a big fan of Bentleys, but this looks really nice, especially with all the red bits. And inside of it just looks so luxurious. Yeah, it looks really nice, especially with all the red. It just breaks it up inside. Obviously you've got all the red going all down the side, all down to the back. So yeah, I think for a Bentley, I'm not a massive fan like I said, but this looks really nice, especially being all black. Just proper stealthy looking thing. So cars are going to head back out on track, so I'm going to film a bit of that now. So this time they're going to be going the other way. So yeah, I'll let you enjoy this part. Now we're just going to have a quick look around where the car display is. So you've got this very loud, which I did hear it before but didn't manage to film it, Focus ST. Obviously it's gone a bit like Valentino Rossi style with it, with the 46s everywhere, and obviously the bright and luminous yellow. Also got the big spotlights up at the front. So yeah, it's got loads and loads of added extras on it. It's really cool, to be fair. Then a very nice classy looking Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, which I think in that red, it looks really, really nice, especially with the silver wheels. Just looks classy, to be fair. Going around the back as well, just not having a spoiler and that on it, just gives the rear end that clean look. So we saw this last week on the Ultimate Stance video. So yeah, very nice, clean bag Vauxhall Corsa VXR, which I think it looks really nice, to be fair, especially on them wheels. It's the cleanest Corsa I've probably ever seen, to be fair. Yeah, it's looking really, really nice. You've got this Ferrari 458 Spider, which, to be fair, is in a little bit of a boring colour, but I do quite like it. Going all silver and then having the red calipers on it. So yeah, obviously the roof comes off this as well. So yeah, really, really nice. And like I say, having that roof coming off, just hear that engine even more. And then we've got an X rally car which won the championship 2010. It's a Citroen C4. So yeah, it looks really good. You've got a spoiler on a spoiler. Looks really good, especially with obviously all the Red Bull on it and everything. So you've got a little French flag down there at the bottom. So yeah, really, really cool looking thing, that.
Survive beyond that one either. chasing the second place in Class F. Class F because it's the mates with lost on a free That car has, well, it's on the Foster's layout, waiting for.
So it is slowly starting to get dark now. So the rallying will continue at the night time. Now it's dark, you've got this little light man putting on a show, which I think look really, really cool. So we're going to head into the corner of the track and then just get some of the filming in the dark. so that's it for the rally cars, and now the bonfire has started. Yeah, big ass fire going on. As you can see it all, you know, just polluting into the sky. So yeah, it's been a very pollutive kind of day really, with all the cars going round, and then obviously this now. So the fireworks are going to go off. Which is quite a good display, to be fair. Right then guys, so I know you can't really see me because it's dark now, but that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. Quite a lot of rallying going on with all the rally cars and stuff, and obviously then a few fireworks going off. So yeah, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. So peace out.